In this video, we will solve question number 9 of NCERT book from the chapter Accounting for Share Capital. And let us see the word in the question first of all. This question is related to issue of shares for consideration other than cash. This question is related the issue of shares for consideration other than cash. Here Kumar Limited purchased assets of ₹6,30,000 from Bhanu Oil Limited, and Kumar Limited issued shares of ₹100 each, fully paid in consideration. What general entries will be made if the shares are issued at par, at discount, or 10% at premium? These are the three conditions. Here some assets are purchased and for these shares are issued. First of all, the general entries will be, the first condition is when the shares are issued at par. Condition 1, shares issued at par. Now when the shares are issued at par, first of all the assets is purchased. The purchased assets is from Kumar Limited, purchased assets from Bhanu Limited. So when you purchase assets, the first entry will be asset account will be debited. Let us start from here itself. Assets account debit to Bhanu Oil Limited. This is the name of the company limited, and the purchase assets is of 6,30,000. 6,30,000. Now this will be the general entry wherein you will write the narration being assets purchased from Bhanu Oil Limited. Now this is the condition when shares are issued at par, and shares of ₹100 each are issued in full, fully paid in consideration. Now when shares are issued, entry will be Bhanu Oil Limited account debit to share capital account. Share capital account. Here it will be 6,30,000, 6,30,000. Now the narration here, being 6,300 shares. 6,300 shares of ₹100 each issued for consideration other than cash. Now since it is issued at par, means the formula will be the number of shares. In order to calculate the number of shares, the formula is purchase price divided by issue price. Now here purchase price is 6,30,000, issue is prices, the shares are of ₹100 each, and it is issued at par. So here it will come to 6,300 shares. That is why we are writing being 6,300 shares issued of ₹100 each for consideration other than cash. This will be the general entry. Now let us see the second option. When the shares are issued at a discount of 10%. Now here the shares are issued at a discount of 10%. The second condition. Shares issued at discount of 10%. Now the first general entry will remain the same, that is asset account debit to Bhanu Oil Limited. 6,30,000 for debit in the debit column, 6,30,000 in the credit column. Now here how many shares will be issued? See, the shares issued will be number of shares. Formula is for number of shares, that is purchase price divided by issue price. Now purchase price is 6,30,000. Issue price is, now these shares are issued at 10% discount, means shares of ₹100 is 10% of 100 will be 10 rupees, means shares will be issued for 90 rupees per share. So issue price will be 90. Now it will come to 9 7 yeah 63. It means 7,000 shares will be issued. So here entry will be Bhanu Oil Limited debit. Bhanu Oil Limited account debit 6,30,000. Discount on issue of shares will be debited. Discount on issue of shares account debit. Now the discount is 10%. Now 7,000 shares are issued to share capital account. Now shares are rupees 7,000 shares are there of rupees 100 each, means 7 lakh. 7,000 of rupees 100 each means 7 lakh, and 10% of 7 lakh will be 70,000. So here the debit total is again 6,30,000 plus 70,000. It will come to 7 lakh, and credit total is also 7 lakh. The narration will be being shares issued for consideration other than cash at a discount of 10%. This will be the general entry. Now let us come to the third scenario. The third is issued at a premium of 20%. Issued at a premium of 20%. Now the first general entry will remain the same. That is, in all the cases when the assets are purchased, entry will be assets account debit. Let us write also. The entry will be asset account debit. Assets account debit to Bhanu Oil Limited account. 6,30,000. 6,30,000 being assets purchased. Now second entry will be Bhanu Oil Limited account debit. Oil Limited account debit. Here now the assets, the shares are issued at a 20% premium. So par value of shares is 10, that is 100. 20% of this will be 20 rupees. Means issue price will be 120. Issue price of shares will be 120. Now for number of shares, let us see. Number of shares is equal to purchase price. Purchase price is 6,30,000 and divided by issue price. Issue price is 120. Now let us see what is the, it comes to 63,000 divided by 12. Let us see what is this. 63,000 divided by 12. 12 is the 60. 30. 12 to the 24. 60. 12 5 is 60. 5 to 5 and 1 0 when will come. So number of shares issued is 5250. And securities, this is the number of shares which are issued. Now Bhanu Oil Limited account debit 6,30,000 to share capital account. To, since shares are issued at a premium, so securities premium will also be credited to securities premium account. Securities premium account. Now as you know, 5,250 shares are issued. So in the share capital, amount will be 5250. This is the number of shares into price of shares is 100. Means in the share capital will be credited 5,25,000 and the remaining amount 63,000. 6,30,000 minus 5,25,000. It will come to 501. 10500. 10500. 500. Now see, the shares are 52500 and 20% of this will be, you can calculate easily, it will come to into 2. 0, 0, to the 4, 5, to the 10. 1, 2, that is, it will come to 5 lakh. 5,25,000 is there, it will come to 1,05,000 will be the securities premium. 20% of this will be the securities premium. 20% since the shares are issued at a premium, so share capital will be 5,25,000 rupees is the share capital, and 20% of this will be the securities premium. This will be the journal entry when the shares are issued. It is premium. And important thing is to keep in mind how to find out the number of shares which are issued. And the formula is very easy. The number of shares will be calculated by dividing issue price. That is, here the issue price is the purchase price 6,30,000 and issue price. In the first case, issue price is 100. In the second case, issue price is 90. In the third case, issue price is 120. And in every case, this will be the purchase price 6,30,000. In first, second, and third scenario, this will be the number of shares which are issued. 6,30,000 divided by 100. This will be the number of shares for scenario 1. 6,30,000 divided by 90,000. This will be the scenario for when the shares are issued at a discount of 10%. This is the number of shares when shares are issued at a premium of 20%, and it will be 6,30,000 divided by 120. This is question number 9. Now let us do the next question also. It is also related with the same question, that is issue of shares for consideration other than cash. Question number 10 also. Then question number 10. Let us see what is this. It is also related. Bansal Heavy Limited purchased machine for ₹3,20,000 from Honda Limited. Payment was made as 50,000 as cash, and the remaining amount was issue of equity shares of face value of 100 each, fully paid as an issue price of ₹90. That is, again here the shares are again issued at a discount. That is 10% discount it is being provided. Now the first case, Bansal Limited purchased machine for 3,20,000 from Honda Limited. Machine from Honda Limited. Now when the machine is purchased, machine account debit. Machine account debit to Honda Limited account. Honda Limited account. The purchase price is 3,20,000. 3,20,000. This is the purchase price. Now here payment is made as 50,000 in cash. 50,000 let us pass to separate entries for issue of shares as well as payment for cash. A single entry can also be passed, but let us pass two different entries. First of all, cash is paid. Honda Limited account debit to bank. 50,000 will be paid. 50,000 is paid in partial payment of the machine, for the partial payment of machine, and for the remaining amount issue of shares of ₹100 each for ₹90. Now out of 3,20,000, 50,000 is paid. Remaining amount balance is 2,70,000. Remaining is 2,70,000. Now for this number of shares we have to calculate. Number of shares. This is the purchase price. This is to be paid. 2,70,000 and issue of shares is for 90. Shares were of ₹100 each, but these are issued at ₹90 discount. So issue price, purchase price divided by issue, it will come to 9 3 27 and 3 zeros are there. It means 3,000 shares will be issued. So the entry will be Honda Limited account debit. Honda Limited account debit. Shares are issued at a discount, so discount is a loss for the company. That is why for expenses and losses it is to be debited. So we will be debiting discount on issue of shares. Discount on issue of shares account debit to share capital account. शेयर कैपिटल. Now Honda Limited is to pay 2,70,000. 3,000 shares are issued. So share capital in the share capital 3,000 shares into par value. That is 3 lakh will be credited and the discount is 10%. So 10% of 3 lakh is 30,000. Now see the debit part, that is 3 lakh, 2 lakh 20,000 and 30,000. This is the debit part and credit is also 3 lakh. This is the general entry when shares are issued for consideration other than cash. Next we will be doing some more question where we will be solving the forfeiture of shares issued at a premium.